Hello everyone and welcome back. Olivia here at Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some amazing Target dollar spot Valentine's Day finds, as well as some goodies that I found at TJMAXX. So I hope everybody had a beautiful, blessed Christmas. I am looking forward to just kind of decluttering, putting up all of my Christmas slowly, organizing everything, and beginning to think about doing our crafting and decorating for Valentine's Day. So I happened to be in my local Target actually while I was shopping for stocking stuffers before Christmas, and they had out some of their Valentine's Day goodies. So I went ahead and grabbed some things to share with you guys, as well as some goodies that I picked up at TJMAXX. So I do like to get a couple of things that are a little bit more pricey than the $1 goodies that I find at Dollar Tree to mix and match with some of my home decor. So if you guys are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to craft and decorate on a budget. I'm a DIY crafty mama, and I love to share with you guys my ideas on how to craft and decorate your little cozy home or cottage on a budget as well. And I feel like crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul. So if you love to craft and decorate as well, definitely consider joining my little YouTube family here. Subscribe if you punch that bell and click all. Will update you every time I post a new video. I post several DIY videos a week on YouTube, as well as several a day over on my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I also have a free little group page if you guys want to pop over there and share photos of your home decor and DIY projects. Listen, I am all about crafting and decorating. I think it's more than just crafting and decorating. I feel like it's just a way to love on your home, and actually even what I like to say is romance your home. So speaking of romancing your home, let's go ahead and jump into this fun and fabulous Valentine's Day haul. Okay, so starting out, I have to share with you guys this really beautiful pillow. I found this at TJMAXX. It has some really nice little tassels on it, and like it's super soft with this little velvet pink background, as well as these little kind of doilies on the front. It's reversible, so when Valentine's Day is over, my thought is to just reverse it. Now I got this really beautiful bedding at Target, and look at how pretty this looks. This pillow is definitely going to go back in my bedroom because I don't want the puppy dogs to get to it. I have a puppy dog, Benji Bear, and then his best bud, my kiddo's dog, baby Theo. But this is definitely going to be probably one of my favorite finds that I found so far. Now, speaking of pillows, I did grab a couple of other pillows, starting with this one. This is another fun little Valentine's Day pillow. I love the ombre hearts. This is from TJMAXX, and just look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. I have a little bit of a weakness for pillows. Now, another fun place you can find pillows is on Amazon. You can get the pillow covers, which I do plan to grab a couple of those. I have one more set of pillows, and these were $19.99 from TJMAXX, and these are going to go out in my living room, where it's just a little bit more cozy and kind of family, more fun. I'm going to do a little bit brighter colors out there, and I do have gray kind of on my walls. It looks like a grayish color, so I thought these would be really pretty. They can get tossed around, and they're not going to show as much dirt, and so these are probably going to be the ones that I keep special back in my bedroom for my bed. Now, moving on from the pillows, how adorable is this Ray Dunn little Be Mine cookie jar? Oh my goodness. So this was $24.99 at TJMAXX. This cute little gnome I think is going to be so adorable to put some yummy treats in, and I just think he's super adorable. And honestly, if you guys are like me and you decorate with reds and whites through Christmas, I think he can almost be set out during Christmas. You could even put like a cute little like some kind of something over it that's Santa Clausy, but he has the cute little red and white gnome heart lid, and then this just removes. I thought this was so adorable, and it looks like it's, yeah, so it's got kind of like a little bit of a seal on it, so I think that's kind of nice. So anyway, I just thought this was so stinking adorable, and I thought for $24.99, not a bad little splurge, since he's probably going to be kind of the centerpiece of either my table or my kitchen Valentine's Day decor. Another fun find were these super adorable little pink glasses. For some reason in my house, I have a ton of coffee mugs, but I do not have any cute little glasses. So these were $5 at TJMAXX, and I bought 2 of them. So they're going to be super adorable in my cozy little Valentine's Day kitchen. Okay, you guys, so one of the most fun things I love to do is bake for my family. I love to bake cookies or banana bread. I always have some type of baked goods setting out for my kiddos. And so I thought this little pink, this is like a whiter dome, and I could just use a regular cake pan dome on top of it. So I thought this would just be so cute with some like cute little cupcakes or cookies or whatnot. And this was $9 at TJ Maxx, but I like that it's kind of acrylic and not glass, so I can kind of store it sideways in with my Valentine's Day decor. It also looks cute with these cute little heart cups. And then think about this. We could do something like this. Sorry, my allergies are going crazy, but how cute is this? And then just put like a couple goodies around it. So fun and fabulous. The next thing that I love to use in my home decor are some nice fresh towels. Now, we're kind of crazy. We actually really use our towels to dry our hands on and to mop up spills sometimes, and sometimes the boys will come in with some grimy hands. But anyway, I thought these were really cute. These were from TJ Maxx. They say hugs and then kisses. So cute. So I'm going to do some in my bathrooms and then also in my kitchen area. I'm probably going to put these back in my bathroom though. These are really cute. Now these were $6.99, which was a little bit pricey, but I just thought that they were so pretty. They're this pale pink, and then they have these like little hearts, and honestly they kind of match this little pillow right here. So my bathroom doesn't get used as often, but I thought these would be pretty, and I love the little tassel fringe on them. Another fun goodie that I found at our TJ Maxx were these super adorable placemats. They're really heavy duty, and I did grab 4 of them, but I thought these would be so festive and pretty to set out. I feel like when you take down your Christmas decor, your house feels kind of a little bit just bare and a little bit lonely. So I thought these would be really pretty to sit with just some nice little dishes and cups. It's actually a really busy time of year right now for me. My daughter is on the wrestling team. Surprisingly enough, she was a competitive dancer. So I think I'm just going to set a really pretty Valentine's Day table, and then when it comes time to celebrate, we'll just have everybody and sit down and have like some little Valentine's Day pancakes or something. But I just thought those were so cute. Another little fun goodie that I found at TJ Maxx was this coffee mug. It says, "Let all that you do be done in love." 1 Corinthians 16:14. It has like a little pink inside. It does say that it's microwave and dishwasher safe. And I do share a good morning cup of coffee with you guys every morning on my Instagram and my Facebook story. Excuse me, my nose is really itchy today. But I just thought this was really nice. It was $3.99. And this is a good way to minister to yourself and to others. But again, let all that you do be done in love. And that's such a good thing to keep in mind, especially for Valentine's Day, but really year round. And even I have to work on that as well. The next goodie that I thought was so super duper sweet was this pretty little Valentine's Day plate. Again, it kind of has some of those ombre hearts on it. This was $3 at TJ Maxx. And then they also have a spoon rest. So you guys know I love to have like a little cozy kitchen for every holiday. And again, look at how cute these are. I just feel like you don't have to go crazy with Valentine's Day stuff, but just adding a couple of little goodies, spending a little bit can kind of make things feel a little bit more festive and can kind of ward off some of those winter blues. Now from the Target dollar spot, I found these super adorable little gnomes. It says, "I love you." I think these were $3. I think they're so stinking cute. And of course, they're probably gonna go along with this little guy. Again, this was TJ Maxx, but this was Target dollar spot for $3. I thought these were so cute. What I was thinking about for these little mini gnomes was to put these in my 2-tiered coffee tray that I have sitting next to my coffee maker when I do my Good Morning Instagram story with a little cup of coffee and a prayer card. I just thought that would be so adorable. And then I also found this cute little pink dish, and this was $3 again from the Target dollar spot. The other thing that I found that I thought was super cute, it is shedding just a little bit, but look at this pretty little pink heart. We are going to do some wreaths for Valentine's Day as far as my DIYs are concerned, but I thought this would be really sweet just to hang maybe in my kitchen, and I'll probably end up adding a bow. You guys know I love my bows, and I love decorating and zhuzhing things up with some bows. Another fun goodie that I found at the Target dollar spot was these towels. It says, love grows best in a little house like this. So it just has a little house, it has a little heart on it, and then it comes with the little pink mitt. Now, if you guys love kind of shabby chic or romantic decor, you're probably definitely gonna love this, but I've always felt this way. I grew up in a really, really small house, probably even smaller than the home that I live in, that I've raised my family in. And I remember the best of times for my family was in in that small little home. And I feel that way about my little home now. I just always like do everything I can to make it cozy and decorative and happy. And so I just felt like this was such a nice little sentiment. And I did get that set. Now, these TJ Maxx towels, I'm going to tell you, they're a lot more heavy duty. They're a little bit more pricey. So this was $6 for two. But I thought this would be fun, even like to layer these. And I just thought that would be really sweet and cozy and kind of cottagey. I really want to do a lot of pastel kind of cottagey stuff this season. But you guys can always remember that you can take any ideas that I have that I share with you guys and just really create your own idea for them. And then, okay, so here's one more little set of tea towels that I found at the Target dollar spot. And check this out with the little gnomes. So it has several different little gnomes. This little guy has hearts on his hat, and this little guy is a red hat, and this little guy has some little stripes, and then it comes with the little heart tea towel on the back. So there's two different guys here, and again, you guys can think about layering these. I think these are just so fun and sweet and cozy. I mean, you could easily do like the little hugs and kisses. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, you guys. I love decorating for Valentine's Day. I mean, I love every season. I really truly do. I feel like every season is so fun, and I feel like it's not too early to start Valentine's Day because it's on February 14th, and so, you know, we only have about a month and a half to decorate for Valentine's Day. But I just think for me, Valentine's Day crafting and decorating just really makes you feel like, you know, something new is on the horizon. Because when you take down all of your Christmas decor, if you guys are like me, your house feels kind of bare and just a little lonely. So we don't want to feel that way. Okay, so Sunburst. Here's a cute little candle, and this came with a heart dish. Now, this was $3 at the Target dollar spot, which probably isn't the best deal, but I do love how it looks like it's got kind of vintage glass. And then once we're done with the candle, we can empty this out and reuse this and put this by the sink and put like your jewelry in it or whatnot, or you could put like some little candies in it or whatnot. Okay, you guys, well, that is going to be it for this Valentine's Day haul. I know I didn't have like a whole super big grouping of stuff to share with you guys, but I felt like it was a couple of little goodies that I went ahead and grabbed. I do need to get out my Valentine's Day goodies from last year. Last year, if you guys remember, I painted a ficus tree green to pink. And so that was a really fun DIY project. And in this year, I've almost been thinking that I might want to do like a Valentine's Day Christmas tree. Maybe take one of my smaller trees and zhuzh it up and make it fabulous and turn it into a Valentine's Day tree. I don't know. Let me guys know what you guys think about that. I've also been thinking about doing like some Winter Wonderland whites. So the secret question for today's video, I'm going to do another Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. I love doing that because I feel like everybody that's on here can craft and decorate, and Hobby Lobby is just the perfect place for that. But the secret question for this one is after Christmas, how do you guys decorate? Do you guys decorate for Winter Wonderland or Valentine's Day, or a little bit of a mix of both? Or do you keep your Christmas up? I know some of you guys last year after COVID kept your Christmas up for a really long time, and I even saw like summer Christmas trees, and so that would be really fun to do. I even have a tinsel tree in my bedroom I thought about leaving out. I just think that the cozy glow of the warm lights just make things so nice. And if you guys are wondering about my little sweater here, this came from TJMAXX last season. I had this one, and then I just have my little thrift store jewelry. Probably a little bit over the top for this sweater, but I just get so excited for every new season of crafting and decorating. And if you guys want to go check out the rest of my DIY crafts, I have a whole list of DIY crafts on my YouTube channel and playlist by every single season. So we are going to look forward to romancing our home. And if you can't wait for my DIYs coming up, go back and watch my DIYs from the last couple of years. I do tons of crafting and decorating using mostly Dollar Tree or a thrift store or Hobby Lobby supplies. I do a ton of wreaths and bows and just little fun projects that you guys can do for pretty much every skill level. I'm probably not the most like crazy, great, amazing crafter or builder, but what I do love is I just love to share my joy of crafting and decorating with you guys. And so I always encourage everybody to keep up the good work crafting and decorating no matter where you're at, because everybody kind of has a different skill level and a different skill set. There's a new series, and it's by Laura DIY, and I can't remember what it's called, but it's about kids that are crafting, and they're having like a little crafting competition. I'll try to think of it. And if you guys know which series I'm talking about, leave it in the comment section below. But I was watching it with my kiddos the other day, and I was so impressed by some of these kids. I mean, and I'm talking like 9 and 10-year-old kids. They have some incredible skills, like with macrame and just different things like that. And so everybody has a little bit different thing that they can really do really well. Um, and so just keep that in mind when you're crafting and decorating. And also keep in mind that sometimes when you see something on Pinterest, and I know this goes for me, that, you know, I'll think, oh my gosh, I can make that. And this is exactly what it's going to look like. And I will set out to create something and it will look totally stinking different than anything I ever set out to create. But sometimes it's just like Bob Ross says, it's just a happy little accident. So keep going with all of your happy little accidents, and don't be afraid to get out a paintbrush. Go to Walmart and get, you know, 5 or 6 colors of paint, and get one of those Dollar Tree, you know, wooden plaques, and sit down and paint something cool. And if you mess it up, you can paint it all white again and try again. So I just want to encourage you guys to do that, because I know when I'm crafting and when I'm decorating my little home and I'm focusing on being thankful for every single thing that I have and keeping things tidy, and like what I'm saying, romancing your home. And I'm not saying that there has to be a lot of romance going on in your home. In fact, there might not be any romance going on in your home, but you can still romance your life. You can still take every special moment. And if it feels stressful, it's something you don't want to do, maybe try lighting a candle and putting on some soothing music and taking some time to go through the process of that. Even if it's laundry or cleaning your kitchen, if things are piling up, take a day off. You know, take a break, love on your kids, love on the people that are in your life that, you know, are available to love on, and volunteer some time. I know recently I have been cooking for my daughter's wrestling team, and just doing that for these kiddos and girls and guys, I mean, it's such a blessing and an honor, you know, that I have the ability to be able to put my best foot forward and support this little team. And so I just want to encourage you guys, I guess, just talk to you guys and encourage you. And this has just kind of gotten a little bit of a long spiel with a small haul, but a long spiel. But I just feel like everybody needs that extra bit of encouragement. And sometimes after the holidays, you know, we can feel a little bit down. We had all of our family here. We weren't able to have some of the family here that we wanted, or we're missing people that we, you know, have long since passed, or that have just recently passed. You know, I think everybody carries some form of heartbreak. And so just remember to be kind to everyone that you meet. You just don't ever know, you know, what people are going through. And so do your best, love on one another, and live with grace, and also live with dignity. Put your best foot forward and live in the light. I love y'all so, so much. I am so thankful for this community, because you guys not only bless me with your kind comments, but you bless those that watch my videos. So when you leave a comment down below and it's a positive comment, go ahead and keep layering on that positivity. Pray for one another, because we actually really do have a voice. And sometimes we'll see something and we'll get all mad. And if you see something that upsets you, just keep going. Just keep scrolling. Maybe you don't agree with it. Keep going, and let this community at least be a light and a bit of positivity in your light. So if you guys need prayers, drop them in the comment section down below. And if you guys want to join my little crafting Facebook group, it's a free little group. It's strictly for you guys to post photos of your home decor and DIY projects on. And sometimes I don't get around to approving the post the first day that it's posted, and I apologize for that. I'm a one-woman show. I have a family and this little crafty business that I have going on here with you guys. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your grace and patience. Give one another grace and patience as well. I love y'all so, so much. I'm hugging all of your hearts, and we're looking forward to this next season of decorating with Winter Wonderland and Valentine's Day and into spring with so much joy. And so I can't wait to share with you guys all of my ideas. We have so many fun things planned. So I love y'all. I'm praying for you guys, and I'm hugging all of your hearts. And until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.